What if the secret to living your best life wasn't just about eating healthy or working out? What if it included your mind, emotions, relationships, and even your environment? That's the power of holistic health. Holistic health isn't just another health buzzword. It's a way of life that looks at the whole you, not just the symptoms of a problem. And today we'll break it down for you. What is holistic health? Why is it so transformative? And how can you start living holistically today? Whether you're feeling stuck in your wellness journey or simply curious about how to achieve balance in your life, this video is for you. Stay with me as we explore the core principles of holistic health and practical tips to transform your well-being. Holistic health is an approach to wellness that considers the entire person, mind, body, and spirit. Instead of just treating symptoms, it aims to find the root causes of health issues and promotes balance in all areas of life. Think of it this way. Traditional healthcare might focus on curing a headache with medication, while holistic health asks questions like, what's causing the headache? Is it stress, poor posture, or dehydration? Holistic health is grounded in the idea that everything in your life is interconnected. Your mental health impacts your physical health, your relationships influence your emotions, and your lifestyle habits play a huge role in your overall well-being. Physical health, nutrition, exercise, sleep, and preventative care. Mental and emotional health, stress management, mindfulness, and self-awareness. Social health, healthy relationships and a strong support system. Environmental health, the spaces you live and work in and how they affect you. Spiritual health, finding meaning and purpose regardless of religious beliefs. So, why is holistic health so powerful? Let's dive into the ways it can truly transform your life. It treats the root cause, not just symptoms. Many traditional health approaches focus on quick fixes, taking a pill, suppressing a symptom. But holistic health looks at the big picture. For example, chronic stress could be causing insomnia, digestive problems, and even skin issues. By addressing the stress, you tackle the root cause and improve multiple areas of your health. It promotes balance and longevity. When all parts of your life are in harmony, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. Holistic health isn't about perfection. It's about creating a sustainable balance that works for you. It empowers you to take control of your health. Holistic health encourages self-awareness and proactive habits. Instead of relying solely on external solutions, you become the driver of your well-being, making choices that align with your body, mind, and values. It enhances mental clarity and emotional resilience. By addressing your mental and emotional health, holistic practices like mindfulness, meditation, or journaling can reduce anxiety and improve focus. This clarity can spill over into every aspect of your life, from work to relationships. It fosters connection. Holistic health emphasizes the importance of strong, healthy relationships, whether with loved ones, your community, or even nature. These connections are crucial for emotional and social well-being. So, how can you start incorporating holistic health into your daily life? Here are some actionable tips to help you take the first steps. Nourish your body with purpose. Pay attention to what you eat. Incorporate whole, nutrient-dense foods. Stay hydrated and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Small changes like swapping processed snacks for fresh fruits can make a big difference. Prioritize rest and recovery. Sleep is a cornerstone of holistic health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep and create a bedtime routine that helps you wind down, like turning off screens an hour before bed. Practice mindfulness daily. Take a few minutes each day to slow down and check in with yourself. This could be through meditation, deep breathing, or even mindful walking. The goal is to stay present and reduce stress. Build strong connections. Spend time with people who uplift you, whether that's family, friends, or a supportive community. Don't underestimate the power of healthy relationships to boost your emotional and social well-being. Detox your environment. Take a look at your surroundings. Are there areas where you can reduce clutter or improve air quality? Even adding plants to your home can create a more calming and positive space. Find your purpose. Ask yourself, what gives my life meaning? This might involve pursuing hobbies, giving back to your community, or simply dedicating time to self-reflection. So, what is holistic health? It's about seeing yourself as a whole person: mind, body, and spirit, and creating a lifestyle that supports all these areas in harmony. By treating the root cause, finding balance, and connecting with yourself and others, holistic health has the power to transform not just how you feel, but how you live. Now it's your turn. Which part of holistic health resonates with you the most? Is it physical health, mindfulness, or maybe connecting with others? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. Together, we can make wellness a lifestyle. See you next time.